First, I just want to say that this video is just for fun. So, just keep that in mind. It is just for fun and mainly made for entertainment. And let's make sure that the headphone works. Yep, it works. The weakest point of the headphone is either the headband or the slider. In my review video, I said that the slider is made of metal. And let's see if it is actually made of metal. That sound is metal. That sound is because it is made of metal. See? My knife cannot scratch it or take a layer off of it, so it is made of metal. And let's bend this. Wait, first let's do an extension test and pull. I'm pulling really hard on this right now. And let's see if it still works. Yep. Still work. And let's try and bend the slider. It does flex like around here, but not the slider itself. Oh, yeah, it is right here. But not a lot of people flex the headphone like this, right? So I would say that the headphone is pretty durable for now. And let's make sure that it still works. Yep. Yes, it still works. And let's bend the headband. And back to the original, it still looks pretty good. Like nothing happened at all. Yep. So far, so good. And let's test out this top layer. And it is plastic, but I'm wondering what the material is underneath is, because it looks shiny like metal. Let's peel the first layer off. I don't want to touch my hand. Oops, that was close. I'm not sure how I should do this. There you go. Okay, first layer out. I mean, not fully out yet. The adhesive is really strong. Peel this off. Oh, this is for the Bluedio logo. Okay, so it's just like a thin film. So basically it's just plastic with a thin film underneath. They make it look like metal. And here is the circuitry for the headphone. And let's see what inside the headband. Oh wait, let's see if I can peel the text off. Like some people can do this with a heat gun or a hair dryer to soften the glue. But it's hard to peel it off without heat. Yep, I don't want to do that. And let's cut inside the headband and see what's actually inside. Is there any foam or no? That's my question for now. My knife is dull. So there's a piece of foam on the bottom, and then a piece of plastic, and then in the middle there's foam. Yeah, just this piece of foam, and then another layer of plastic. So foam, plastic, and then another piece of plastic, and then foam, and then up here you get another piece of plastic, and then the upper foam for the top part. Okay, so let's try and take the ear cups off. Oops. Okay, so this is how you take it off. That was easy. And this is the inside of the headphone. Let me break it apart. How much force let's see how much force does it take to break the slider. That is a lot of force. So the weak point is right here, is where the slider is connected to the headband, because they use plastic right here to reduce the weight. And let's see if this is metal. I believe this is also metal. Yep. Metal. And this is plastic. Yep. Because I can peel some of the plastic off, but not with the metal. And let's see if the speaker still works or not. Yep. This still works. And this still works. So, I guess this wrapped up the video. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.